Okay, fine. So what you are saying about see, let's take a EMP table first of all. So can you able to see my screen? Just give me confirmation.
Yes.
Yes.
Select star from EMP, right? Okay, fine. So by using like operator, what you want to do?
Need the details of employee who's joined in month of January.
Who joined the
Month of Jan-
month of January? Okay, using like operator. Okay, fine. Okay, just check. How can you, by using like operator, how can you can give in a different way this one, or else let me do. Can you see this? What is this data? Is this data or month? First one. First one
Date.
is a month. No, no, no. First one is a month. Don't forget, in Oracle Apex, it is supporting in this format. Okay. See, formats will be changed from database to database. So how to convert from one format to another format also we can discuss when we discuss about the functions. Okay, there is a concept called functions. In that concept, there are so many functions are available. In that functions, there is a one criteria, I mean, one category called conversion functions. In this conversion functions, we will understand how to convert from one data type to another data type and one format to another format. As of now, we will go with the default one. So even if you are inserting the values in a table in Oracle Apex, so guys, just to go through, first one is a month, second one is a date. Can you see 17? Is there any month like 17? No, right? Up to 1 to 12 only we have months now.
17 must be date.
Yes, 17 must be date.
So
So
month,
first,
date, and year.
yes, month, date, and year. Okay, let's write first. Select star from which table? EMP. Now, where hire date. High date, like, see, I told you, right, in high date, we have to give underscore means what? Underscore
We
means what?
exact number of characters.
Exact character, and percentage means any number of character or zero characters. Okay. First, I want to give the dates. Dates in the, I mean, month. See, month I will give as a 01 or 1. You can, is there any 01? I think there is no any employee who joined in the first month, right? There is no anyone January. Can I take as a Feb? Just to show the example.
Okay.
Okay, 02 is a month. And what is the symbol next you have? That's enough. I think directly you can give the 02 and percentage you can give. And next, you don't know anything. Next date, whatever it may be, month, whatever it may be. So, how you can give? You can keep a percentage here. Nothing is issue. Just check. Is it will bring all years second month. Okay, it is in the second. Just give 2. See, these are all the 2 employees who joined in the Feb month in 2022, 1981. Just I have given what? First letter. But this is not a proper exact format, guys. You have another ways to filter the data exactly that month, that year. I will show you. This is just, for example, if you have a values, if you want to match the pattern, your keyword is pattern. एक अब अगर मैं हिंदी में बताया तो एग्जैक्ट ऐसा वाला पैटर्न पे हमको फेच करना है सो स्टार्टिंग विथ 2 इज अ मंथ हाइफन नेक्स्ट परसेंटेज वॉट एवर मे बी द डेट वॉट एवर मे बी द मंथ okay so like that for example for January if it is a first month means it will give the first month so there will be no okay see guys there are some employees who are joined in the first month also can you see now, for example, in first month, irrespective of date, um, in a particular year, if you want, means that also you can do. I'll show you another ways. Uh, is it clear your doubt? समझ आया क्या?
Yes, Sharukh, but I didn't give that forward slash.
No,
I
no.
think that's why.
This one, huh?
Yes. The,
No, you are definitely have to give the text. Anyway, if since you
okay.
are practicing, you
I'll
got the
just give
doubt.
that one only and didn't give that forward slash. That's why the error is come, I think.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Good, Amit. See, if you practice in starting times, you will get so many errors, guys. If you just okay. Okay, fine. Let's continue from this part. And I think we have to start from the alias concept onwards. Okay. So already we understood about the like operator, and then we start discussing about the alias. I think we have completed this city and we started what like operator. Um, I just want to ask everyone, guys, have you gone through these questions and tried to answer? No?
Yes, Sharukh.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You have to go say yes or no at least. Okay, fine. Just give me 1 minute. Yes. Okay, fine. Now we'll discuss about the alias operator, guys. Alias operator. See, what is the first of all meaning of alias? See, guys, this is a very, very important to see. Even if wherever you go, see in your real time also, the table name, column names will be different, different. But they will give some alias names to make the proper description. So first of all, alias means another name or alternative name. What is that first of all? Alias means another name or alternative name. Alias are the declared to change the column heading. Okay. I'll show you practical. As in practical, we'll see. So let's go to the Oracle. For example, now if you see this EMP table, what is the meaning of this ename? Ename means what? Ename means what? Employee name. MJR means what? Manager.
Manager.
What is a SAL means? Salary. Salary. But since we know the shortcuts, we can say that COM means commission. But I want to give some proper names or different names. We can use here alias operator. Simple, guys. For example, I want see select. Okay, in place of ename. Okay, ename. Okay, there is an operator called alias coming to alias. Here the operator is, here the symbol is, okay. In single quotes, I will write, guys. This is a, you need to give as, okay. See, e name as, what is a complete name I will give? Employee name, comma. What is the next column? What I want? Think that manager, MGR. I want to give as a manager, comma. For salary, SAL column, I want to give as full salary. Okay. And also for the commission, guys, for commission as, okay, full form, commission. All this from which table? From EMP table.
EMP table.
Okay. Just select and run. Now, please see the output. Is it showing exactly wherever employee name? It is showing as what? Employee name, as the name I have given. Wherever there is a manager, and it is showing as what? Full form as a manager. And also in case of salary, it is showing as a full form salary. And in whatever the, see, what is the meaning? Whatever the alias name I am mentioning here, that will come. Okay. That will come. See, guys, it won't change in the original table. Okay. It won't change in the original table. It's just a, uh, you can say that it's just in the time of reading only. Okay. Now, if you check the original table means what? Now check the select star from EMP. Select star from EMP. Is it changed? No. In original table, it won't change, guys. It just on okay. It will show on the display statement, means select statement only. It will show. Okay, this is a alias, guys. Okay, here you need to understand few things. It is not a compulsory to write this as every time. Simply what you can do, okay, for example, same thing, select, just to give the e-name. For e-name, just to give the space and you can write what you want to display e-name, like employee name. Okay, and next column is what? MGR, manager. Just give the space and you can write the full, whatever the alias name you want to give. And also salary. For salary also you have to give salary, just a space. And also last one, commission. Okay, I am for the commission, I will give some alias name as a bonus. Okay, bonus. From which table? From EMP table. That's all. Now you can check. Oh, why it is little. Is it working? Guys, is it working? You have to say yes or no.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, see, it will work. Now,
Suppose if we display the full table, we get all these names, right?
for display, see, number of whatever the column you want to give, you just give those names.
Okay.
It
So we
will
are just
display
changing
here.
the column names.
Yes, we are not completely, just in a select statement. See, you are
Selects.
getting
Okay.
some output, right? In that output only it will show, but if you go to original table, right, it won't change. Understood? If you go to the original table, it won't change. We are writing some select statement now. Through this select statement, we will get some output, right? In that output only, it will display as we want.
Yeah, understood.
Okay, this is one point. Now the second point is, for example, here did I give any space? I want employee space name. I want to give some space. Okay, if I do this, does it works? Let's check. Let's check. If I give space, does it works? Let's check. See, employee's name. Does it works means, see guys, it has to be completely like one single word. Now, this will get confused now. E-name, okay, it is available in the table. For e-name, it has to give employees or name. It is now two different words, right? Here, you will get some error. If you give space, you will get some error. It won't understand, okay? To overcome this problem, if you want to keep any spaces, okay, you can mention that name in a double quotes, guys. Now you won't get. Even if you use the spaces also, there will be no any error. Understood the first of all problem and its solution also, guys? Hello? If it is a single word, there will be no issue. But if it is a two words which is having some space, then please pass that alias name in a double quotes. Then now it will clear. E-name, for e-name, this is a expression, alias. For manager, this is a expression. For salary, this is a expression. If you don't give double quotes, but it will treat as a two words. It will get confused which has to choose. Clear or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. See, this is about, see guys, this alias is a very, very, very important. Why? Because in this alias statement, we do lot of transformations. Because I'll show you some examples. Here you have to learn many things. For example, I want, okay, I want, please listen, I want employee name and his salary, employee name and, okay, employee name, his manager details, okay, and also his salary, comma, annual salary. Now, I will ask you one thing, guys. In employee table, e-name is available, right? And his manager also available, right? And his monthly salary also available, right? Is there anything which is annual salary in employee table?
No.
No.
No, right? So what I will do, please see. See, in select statement, as a first column, what I want? Employee name I want. Second column, what I want? Manager. Manager means MJR. Okay. And salary means salary as a third column. But I don't know annual salary, right? As a fourth column, what I want? Annual salary. But as an annual salary, can I do some calculation here? Can I, if I multiply salary multiplied with 12 means, what is the meaning, guys? Monthly salary is multiplied with 12, means 12 months means it will become an annual salary, right? Okay.
Yes.
As I will give for this expression, guys, for this expression, salary multiplied by 12, I will give expression as what? Annual. Okay. Annual salary. Okay. Annual salary. From which table? From EMP table. Now check, guys, what will happen. Can you see this, guys? What happened? E-name, employee name. Manager, manager. Salary, salary. And as in place of annual salary, okay, as in place of annual salary, this calculation will be happened, and we got the output. See, you can 5,000 multiply with the 12 means 60,000, right? See, guys, like this. See, this is based on the existing data. Based on the existing data, we can do some calculations also, guys. If you go to real time, right, there are so many functions will be applied, so many calculations will be applied, many things will happen, guys. You have to be habituate this one. Okay, you have to write that calculation, and that calculation name you can write as a Alias statement. Is it clear what I said here? I mean, what I have shown you?
Yes.
Okay, this is what we can do. Not only this, guys, many things you can do, many. Okay, as per example, let's take some examples here. Okay, for example, if I want select employee name, name and experience I want, guys, name and experience. I want to calculate the experience. These are all some practical examples. Okay, if I tell you what Alias means already completed, but I'm showing the practicals also. I want to display employee name and his experience. Okay. So before that, there is a one function I want to introduce you guys. There is a function called sysdate. There is a one thing called sysdate. What is this sysdate means? What is this sysdate means? Guys, see, select sysdate means current date. In simple words, current date. Or current means, you know, right, guys, current date or present. Today is, what is the date? 18th February 2025, right? See, let me write select sys date from, there is a dual, guys. Dual means please keep this as a dummy table. Okay, this is a dummy table. Okay, see, in dual table, whatever you do, it will accept. Whatever you give, it will accept it. It is okay. Basically, there is no any table called dual table in my database, but this dual table is for the calculation or else anything to display the displaying purpose. Okay. On regular practice, you will understand its importance and also how to use. Okay. So as of now, I want to display what sysdate. Sysdate means what I said, just current date. Okay. To know this current date, you can use this sysdate function. Okay, I'm selecting this command and let's run this. In output, can you see this, guys? What is today date? It is displaying what? Today's data. If the same function you try to run tomorrow, it will show what? 19. If you day after tomorrow means whatever the date, particular that date, it will display, guys. Did you understood what is sysdate means?
Yes.
Okay. Please respond. I need a response from your side. With some. Okay. Now I will
System date.
sysdate.
Okay.
It's a shortcut, sysdate. Okay.
Okay.
If you write system means that is become another thing. Sysdate is a keyword. As this you need to write.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for example, I want to calculate the experience, guys. Experience I want to calculate. Just see. I will do one calculation. Select what I want as a first column. What I want? Employee name, right? E name I want. And second, experience I want. How can I know that experience? First of all, if you see this EMP table, guys, let me show you here. If you see this EMP table, what is the information we have? What is the information I have? I have high date, means date of joining I have. High date means nothing but what? Date of joining. Okay. Now, what I'll do, how can I get the experience, guys? I have a date of joining. I have a current data. Can you tell anyone logic? Sys date minus high date. What it will give? I'm subtracting, guys. See, you know, right? Not only numbers, guys, we can subtract the dates also. Okay. We can subtract the date also. For example, here, what I am writing? Sys date. Sys date means today's date. Means in today's date, I'm removing what? I'm subtracting what? High date. Then it will give what? It will give the
XP.
experience, right? If I divide this with the 365, what will happens? First I will do this thing, guys. First I will do this. Then you will try to understand. First, I will sys date. Okay. Minus high date. Take some example. Sys date means, for example, you are subtracting what? Today date is what? 02 is a month and 18th is a date. Minus what? 2025 minus high date. Take any one of the high date, like 11, 17, okay, 1981. This is what will happen, right, guys? This is what the subtraction will happen. So if you do this, what output will come? See, for this column, I will keep as EXP, experience. All this from which table?
EMP.
From EMP. Don't forget, guys, okay? This is one column. This is another column. Everything should be from, you have to write, okay? For this expression, I am giving Alias name as what? EXP. That's all. Just check how it will give. I think it will give in the days, guys. I think it will give in the day. See, it is giving what? King has this much of experience. 15799. Black 15999. Clark 15960. See, it is giving in which format? Some days format, right? If I divide this date with 365, then what it will give? Experience. Simply, can I write year of experience? Now it will give in a years. Can you see this? King is, what is the experience of king? 43. Blake, under different people's experience, we have what? Is it clear for you? Did you understood or not? What I have done?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Like that, we can do the calculations also, guys. If you go to real-time writer, you have a data somewhere. Okay. You will take the data and you will write too many calculations based on the current columns. You will do so many calculations and you will save this code and you will create one view. Like that, so many transformations you do, guys. That is called data engineering. We do so many transformations. We sort out the data, many things. Okay. If you are clear with the basics, right? If you go and check any code, you will understand. Okay. Okay. We'll come to the next point. And also for practicing purpose, guys, for practice purpose, you can use this. You can use this. Anyone can answer, guys. I want to display what? As a first column, what I want? Employee name. Second column, what I want? Salary. Third column, what I want? HRA, DA. Okay. TX means tax under total salary. Don't worry. HRA means what? HRA means 20% on the salary. DA means what? 30% on the salary. Tax is how much? 10% on the salary. So total what you want? Salary plus HRA plus DA minus tax is your total yearly income. So how you can write? Don't worry, guys. Let's see. First, what you want? Employee name. As a first column, what you want? Employee name. Second column, what you want? HRA. Third column, DA. Fourth column, tax. As a fifth column, total. Okay. You know employee name, you can write the employee name, but you don't know HRA, DA, tax, and totals. Okay. For that, they are only giving the logic, right? They provided the logic, right? Can we write this as per the logic? Okay. Let's see the solution for this. Okay. See, guys, select. Okay. First column, what I want?
Ename.
E-name. Okay. First column is E-name. Comma. Second column is what?
Salary.
Salary. Comma. Third column. Okay. Salary. Okay. Fine. Third column, what I want? HRA. Is there HRA anything in our table?
No.
No. For that, I need to apply this logic. What is that logic? Okay. What is that logic? In braces, salary multiplied with what? 20% means, I think 0.2. 0.2. Can I consider as what?
HR.
HRA. Fine. Comma. Next one is what? DA. Do you have any DA? No. But I know the logic. What is that logic? Salary multiplied with
Point
0.3.
3.
Okay. As DA. Okay. And also the final one. No, not final one. Still we have some more. Next one is what? Tax. And tax also I don't have any direct column. So salary is multiplied with
0.
salary is 0.1. Yes, 0.1 will be as tax. Okay. And finally, what is that? Total. Total also I don't have. For the total, what should I do? Can I write in a next line? Not to confuse. So I'll write in a next line. You can write anywhere, guys. That's not at all issue. Okay. So in that, first one is what? Salary. Salary, direct column. Plus, next what I have, guys? HRA. I need to add what? HRA. HRA means what? This is the one, right? Plus, next what I need to give? HRA plus. Next one is what? DA. DA means salary multiplied by 30%. Okay, display it here. And the final one is I need to subtract. I need to subtract in this minus. What is the last one? Tax. Okay, so tax is 0, salary multiplied by 0.1. Okay, all this from, for this, what is the name I have to give as? Can I give? Total. Total underscore salary. All this from which table, guys? All this from which table? EMP table. Okay. To not to get confused, guys. If you want clearly, okay, step by step, you can write. Okay. Initially, to not to get confused. Okay. First, okay. Step by step. Okay. This is the first column. This is the second column. And this is what? Third column. Okay. And this is what? Fourth column. Okay. And the final column is this one. Okay. All this from where? Final for last, I don't need to write. Okay. All this from which table? From EMP table. Okay. Select this and run. Can you see this, guys? I have name. Next column I have as a salary. Next, I have a HRA. Next, DA. Then tax. And also finally what?
Total salary.
Total salary. Like this, we do so many calculations in Alias, guys. Alias. I hope everyone understood, guys. Please, you have to practice this. Okay. So we'll end this alias operator up to here. Okay, now. Okay, guys. Now we'll discuss about the new things. Okay, order by. See, as of now, what are all the different classes you have seen? We have seen where clause. Where clause, why we use this where clause? To filter the
Filter.
data. To filter the data. Apart from this, we are going to introduce one more class, that is order by. Okay, order by. You know why we use this order by? To sort the data. To sort the data. Sorting means what, guys? So we know from our basic school days onwards, we have two types of sortings. One is what? Ascending order
Ascending and
and
descending.
descending order. Okay. For example, whatever the output you are getting, guys, if you want to display in a particular order, either in ascending order or descending order, we have to use the order by class. Okay. So it's a very simple, guys. Let me show you practical. Okay. So just take one thing. Just take one thing. For example, let's take select star from EMP. Select star from EMP. Just check output. Just take, okay, 10, 20, 30. Now, I want to display this data. I want to display this data with respect to department numbers. Means I want all the employees related to department number 10 first, then 20, then 30. Means it is in ascending order. I want to show in ascending order. Are you getting my point? If you do select star from EMP, some all these rows are in a some not in a proper format. Okay. Now I want to make this in a proper format. That proper format is what? With respect to department number in ascending order, I want. Okay. Simple, guys. Okay. Simple. Select. Okay. Select star from EMP. Okay. And I want this display. I want to sort. If I want to sort, what is the class? Just now I told order by.
Order.
No. Filter means where? I want to order. Order by. With respect to which column, guys?
Department.
Department number. Okay, guys, by default, okay, I won't mention, I am not mentioning here either ascending order or descending order. Clear? Once again, I'm telling, please focus. Here, I'm not mentioning either in ascending order or descending order. Simply, I just kept this. Okay. Now check how it is displaying. Ascending order or
Ascend.
descending order?
Ascending.
By default, it is what is this? Ascending order. Okay. By default, it is in ascending order. Okay. Now, for example, I want to display this in, okay, this is by default, guys. You no need to give anything. It is by default. By default, it is in ascending order. Now, come to the next point. For example, same output I want. Okay. I want to display this employee table with respect to department number, but this time not ascending. This time is what? In descending order. So how we can do that? Select star from which table? EMP table. Okay. Order by which column? With respect to which column? Department number column. Now this time not ascending. By default, it is ascending. If I want to display in descending, I need to give some keyword that is called DESC. Okay. DESC. Now check. Now check. Can you see this output? First I have what? 30, 20, and then 10. See, guys, just increase the, why it is showing only 10 record means what is the limitation I kept here? I arrange it. What is the
10.
limitation? 10. So that's why it is showing only 10. Just give any number, okay? More number, then there will be no. Now you select and run. Can you see? First I have a 30, then 20, then 10. Okay. So, and one more thing, guys, we can sort the data. And one more thing, we can sort the data. Okay. With respect to, okay. With respect to what? Number. Okay. Text. And also dates. Okay, and also dates. See, not only sorting this is in a numbers or text, guys, we can do text also. For example, you just see select star from EMP. Can you check this select star from EMP? You have employee names, right? Employee names, right? King, Blake, okay, different names. For example, with respect to employee names, if I order this table, what will happen? So guys, I'll tell you one thing. Everyone is familiar with the dictionary, right? You have used the dictionaries in our lower sessions. I mean, like, right? Dictionary ordering. For example, if you want to, in a dictionary, if you want to search any letter related to R, what you will do? Directly, you will go to that indexing, right? You will directly go to R. In that, for example, there is okay, red. You want to find a word called red. What you will do? First, you will go to a R, then you will go to the starting letter with E, then you will search in that list, right? It is in a proper order, right? Same dictionary order will be followed here in case of text. So select star from EMP. If you give order by what? E name. By default, what is the ordering, guys? I told you now.
Ascend.
Ascending order. So you will get first all the employee names whose name starting with A. See, Adam, Alan. Then it is going to what? B. Then it is going to C, F, Z, okay, J, K, M, okay, yes, like that. In the same place, guys, in the same place, if I do, in the same place, if I do, instead of E name in ascending order, D, E, S, C, what is your expectation? What happens? No one will guess.
It will
It,
display
yes, that's what I want expecting. It will display the employee names in descending order, starting from W, T. Can you see? If you come to the final, it will show in a descending order. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes.
Hmm. Wait, I got some message. I need to reply. Okay. It is in descending order. Fine. Now, even we can try this in a dates, guys. Dates. Now, just check again in case of dates. Okay. Dates. See, select star from EMP. Select star from EMP. For example, I want to sort this data with respect to dates, guys. See, 1981 I have, 1980. Okay. Now what I'll do, let's check. Select star from EMP. Order by what? Date. If you don't give anything, by default, what it? Oh, not date. What is
order.
the column name? High date, right? High date. Can you see? Starting with what? 1980, then 1981, second month. In second month, in the fourth month. Okay. Data got sorted, right? Okay. Same thing you can check in a descending order also. It is very important to understand, guys. DSC, descending order. First, I have 1983 to 1980. Guys, I hope everyone is clear with this order by. Okay. Understood or
Yes.
any doubt? Okay. So we'll go one step more, guys. One step more. One step more in the sense what? As of now, we are doing single ordering. Single ordering means what? Single ordering means what? High date either in descending order or ascending order. What we are giving? High date by how many columns I am passing here?
One.
One column. Here also one column. Here also one column. Now I want to display in two ways, guys. Okay, two ways. Let me show you. Okay. Let me show you first of all one thing. Select star from EMP. Okay. Order by which column? Salary column in DESC. Or just leave as it is. What will happen? Let's see. I have all the employee salaries, right? See, starting from 1800 to up to 5000. Now, what I want to do is with just keep department number 10. Okay, let me write the question here. I want to sort the data with respect to department number, comma, within department number. Okay, salary should be sorted. Okay, salary also sorted. What I mean to say? Just you see, guys. Select star from EMP. Please observe this output. This is department number 10, right? How the salaries will be? Salaries are sorted in a proper manner. And first I have 2450, then 1300, then 5000. Same thing. You can check here in another also. Okay, another also. If you see this department number 20, guys, if you see this department number 20, can you check? In department number 20, first 3000, 3000, 7, okay, some 800 I have. Means in descending order I have. Now I want to sort this department number. Within this department number, salaries should be in ascending order. Ascending order. See, for example, please keep these points in your mind. In department number 10, I want this salaries should be in what? In ascending order. Let's see what will happen. How we can do. See, select star from which table? EMP table. Okay. Order by. Order by. So with respect to what first? Department number. Okay. I want to order by department number. By default, it will take ascending order. Okay. See, guys, even if you can mention also ascending or descending. There is a ASC. You can mention ASC in ascending order, comma. Within that, salary is how? Salary also in ascending
Ascending.
order. Okay, salary also in ascending order. Now check what will happen. This is called multi-ordering. Now you check, guys. First, you have department number 10. Within this department number 10, can you check the salaries, how they are sorted? First 1300, then 2450, then 5000. Means it is sorted, right?
Yes.
Now, one more thing. Check the department number 20. Just for the confirmation purpose, guys. Just for the confirmation purpose. This department number 20, right? Starting this value to this value. In this department number 20, how the values are?
Ascending order.
Ascending order. Sorted, right? Okay. This is sorted. Fine. First, I have with respect to department number, it is sorted. Next, within this department number, these are sorted. Now, you have to guess and tell me, guys. I will write the syntax. You please guess and tell me what will happen. Select star from EMP, order by department number as a ascending order, and the salary should be in descending order. What will happen?
Department number in ascending and it shows the salary in descending.
Within the department number, salaries should be in descending order. You can check. See, you have department number 10 now first, then 20, then 30. Just check the whole result. First, you have department number 10, department number 20, department number 30 as per our syntax. Now, take any one of the department number and check how the values are sorted. How these are?
Descending order.
Descending order. Understood, guys? Like that, within that department number, so first data got sorted with respect to department number. Within those department number, you can give the salaries. You can give the salaries. I mean, other columns also you can write. I hope understood, guys. Multi-ordering also. Like that, many columns you can give once you understood this logic. What about everyone? Amit, Manoj.
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Who is this Zoom user? I'm getting the username as a Zoom user. I just want to know.
I think it should be me,
May I know the name?
Sharath.
Oh, Sharukh. You have to tell her. I don't know your present or not absent, you're coming or attending. I don't know. I just asked to that Srinivas also. So many times.
Okay,
Okay.
actually, he's confused with my name. He thinks I'm Prashant.
Okay. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Let's see. Just give me 1 second. We'll go to the next step. I hope, guys, everyone understood, right? Any doubt in this part?
No.
See, guys, I habituated to teach many times, and I have a lot of practice. That's the reason I can do speed. Okay, little okay. But in case of you, I think you don't have. I mean, you have to practice. You have to type. Then only you will get some perfection. Okay. Okay, fine. Let it be. So, guys, there is a one thing is there that you need to understand. Order by clause we can use in with number column number also. Okay. No, normally no one is going to use this, but just as a pointer we are discussing, right? For example, in employee table, in select star from EMP, in EMP table, what is a uh, indexing position of department number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? In eighth position, I have now
Yes.
select. Now select star from which table? EMP table. Order by. Order by. This time I'm not going to write the column name, guys. Column position number I will write. This will also work. See, now data is got sorted with respect to department number, right? For example, similarly, if I want, if I want, if I want to sort the data with respect to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A salary column. What is the position of the salary column? 1, 2,
6.
3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. Now you check. Same thing. Okay, same thing. Six. Now the same thing. How the data got sorted? With respect to salary column sorted, right? Okay. See, based on the column number also, we can give, guys, with order by. Okay. This is one of the point you can keep your mind. Okay. But there is some exception. Above query sort the data based on sixth column in EMP table, that is salary. Okay. Order by number should not based on the table. It should be based on the select list. Now, what is the meaning of this? We go any very deep, guys. Point to point, we'll discuss that. Okay. It will take some time. Okay, this is one of the exceptional point, guys. Exceptional point means what? Now I'll write one query. Please try to answer that. Select e-name, comma, salary, comma, hire date, comma, next what? Department number. From which table? From EMP table. Now order by 6. 6 means what? 6 means what?
Salary.
Salary, right? Does it works here? If I select as a first column, I'm giving what? Employee name. Second column, salary. Third column, hire date. Fourth column is what? Fourth column is what? Department
Department.
number. Do you think now it works? It won't work, guys. It won't work. Okay. See, this order by, whatever the order by number I am taking, it should be related to this order only. This order only in select statement. As per the select statement, what is the position of salary column?
Sixth.
Two.
No, 2.
Two.
As per select column, I'm not employee number, employee name, employee, sorry, salary is a second column now. Here. Okay, it will work. What I mean to say, this numbering should be based on the select statement, but not table, table indexing, table number. Okay, means table name. Has understood or not?
Yes,
I
sir.
won't respond from everyone. Kiran, Sandeep.
Yes, Sharukh, understood.
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, guys, this is about the ordering. Okay, please go and practice. Okay, I'll explain you some more thing. We started at 10:30, right? We have so many things to discuss. So, okay, you can go with these examples also. Whatever I told you, right, related to that, we have examples, guys. Okay. Okay. Now, for example, arrange the student list average wise. Okay. And average wise in descending order, and maths wise descending order, physics wise in descending order. How you can do? For example, assume that this is a table, guys. This is one of the table. What is the name of the table? Students table. How many columns are there? Student number, student name, math marks, physics, and chemistry marks. First of all, how to find the average, guys? How to find the average? How to find the, what is the logic to find the average? Okay, assume that this is a question. Okay, this is a question. Please don't see the answer. Just read everyone question. Arrange student list average wise in descending order. And maths marks in descending order, physics marks also in a descending order. Okay, so let's take first of all, just I'm writing query here. Select as a first what I want, guys. I want complete table, right? I want complete table or not? Student number. Next what? Student name. Next, what is a column? Maths marks and physics
Physics,
marks and
chemistry.
chemistry marks. So how to get the average? Do you have any average column here? I'm
No.
asking. No.
No.
We have to do what? We have to do some calculation, right? You know, we can write the calculation and we can give the Alias name as we discussed in the previous session. Okay. Now listen this, guys. Select student number, student name, math marks, physics marks, chemistry marks. Now average. Average means you know right now. It's like okay, math marks plus physics marks plus chemistry marks. How many total subjects? 3 subjects. Divided by 3 means I will get average, right? For this column, can I give Alias name as what? Average underscore marks. Average marks. All this from which table, guys?
Student.
EMP
From
table.
this is not a EMP table. This is student table.
Student table.
Yeah, from student. Okay, fine. Now, what is the next step? This will give what? Normally physics marks, chemistry marks, and also average. Now I want to sort out now. How I want to sort out? If I want to sort out, what is a class? Order by. Order by. So what he is saying, average. Okay, average wise descending order means AVG underscore marks. This is a column name, right, guys? This is a column name, right? AVG marks should be in which order? Descending order. Comma. Next, what he is asking? Mass wise descending order. Next, simple. M is in a descending order. Next, what? P wise also descending order. P, D, E, S, C. That's all. This is the answer, guys. So you will get a list of students who's having a highest, highest average, next highest, like that we will get. Is it clear, the concept?
Yes.
I
Yes.
hope. Thank you, guys. You have to be little loud and active. Okay, let's see about the controlling nulls, guys. Controlling nulls means what? See, here nulls also takes much important, guys. Okay, there is a, so we have to understand how to work with nulls. Okay, in sorting nulls are they treated as a high. Normally, in sorting nulls, it will be treated as a high. In ascending order, nulls are arranged last. In descending order, nulls are nulls arranged the first. Okay, to control the nulls, use nulls first, use nulls last option. Okay, okay. Let's see with some question. Display the employee list commission wise descending order, but nulls should nulls what? But display nulls last. Now, see guys, try to understand the requirement. This is what requirement. Okay, what you want? What? How? Generally, you tell me the answer. You forget about this point, but you just forget about this point. Just you want this. Read this portion. Display employee list commission wise descending order. What is your answer? Display employees list commission wise in descending order. What is your answer?
Select star. Select star.
Star from
EMP.
EMP.
Order by commission descent.
Yes, order by commission in DESC descending order. Okay. Normally, nulls are treated high value. Okay. Descending order, right? So, first, how they are coming? First, what it is giving? Nulls, right? All nulls are coming first now. Can you see finally what I have? Values. Finally, what I have? Values. So, first nulls coming up, right? And finally, it is giving what? Values. Now, what I want those nulls should come down. This values should go up. Understood, guys? This 1400, 500, 300, 0 should go upside. And this nulls should come down. Okay? This is what my requirement as per the question. Now you add this part also. Okay, so to answer that question, see here you have some keyword. Order by commission in descending order. Just give nulls last. Simple like English language only. Okay, what you have to give? Nulls last. Now check, guys, how it is in. First, do you have values or nulls?
Values.
Values we have 1400, 500, 300, 0. And then I have in bottom nulls. This is a way we can control the nulls. Okay, let's go with another example also. In case of C. Now, read this question. Display employee list commission wise in what order? Which order? Ascending order. Please keep this point aside. First of all, tell answer to do this. Display employees list commission wise in ascending order. What is your answer? Select star from which table? EMP.
Order by commission assignment.
Order by which column? Commission in ASC ascending order, right? Now check what is happening. Can you see this? First I have what? Values. Next I have nulls in case of descending order. Okay. But what he is asking in a question, what is asking?
Nulls first.
Nulls first. Is it showing nulls first?
No.
No. Okay. To answer that question, just add nulls FRST, I think. I think that is a key. No, full form need to write. Okay. Nulls FYRST first. That's all, guys. Now you check. First it is giving what? Nulls. Then 0, 300, 500, 1400. Can you see this? Yes, can you understood this? If you
Yes.
practice once, right, it's very simple things. Okay, if you practice once, now you will be understand. Nothing is much complex. Okay, and the final one, guys, I will explain about the fetch class. Then we will start this today's topic. Okay, okay. What is first of all the meaning of fetch? What is the basic meaning of the fetch? Fetch means what?
To
Getting
filter the
info.
data.
Taking, fetching. Okay, fetching. See, guys, normally it is introduced in 12th C. 1 second, guys. 2 minutes, please. Some background sound will come from my end. Okay, guys. For example, fetch first n rows only. See, there is fetch first n rows only is there, right? Just is there any background sound coming from my end? Much? It's completed. Fetch. Let's see, guys. Let's see here. First of all, select. Guys, please tell me if I want to see the EMP table, select star from EMP. Okay. Now, in this EMP table, how many columns I have? I mean, how many records I have? Records are rows, 14 rows. In these 14 rows, I want first 5 rows only. For example, let's take select start from EMP. Okay, order by salary. What output I will get? Anyone please tell me?
Salary will in ascending.
Salary in ascending order. Okay, or else I can write in a descending order also. Descending order. Okay. So after this, guys, after this, I don't want all the output. Are you getting my point? I don't want all the data from this. I want only first 5 records. First 5 records means starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one is what? 2850. Got it? You want only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. Only 5 records you want. Then, there is a one syntax, guys. Okay. To fetch the data. Okay. There is a FETCH, fetch. FIRST, first. Okay. 5 rows only. First to 5 rows only. Got it? Select star from EMP, order by salary. After this, guys, whatever the output it will give now, from that, what I am doing? At least you can read and tell. Fetch, I am fetching only first 5 rows. Okay, missing keyword where? Fetch first 5 rows only. FIRST, right? Sorry.
Yes.
Yes. Can you see this? Starting from 5,000 to how many I have? Only 5 rows I have. If you give instead of 5, if you give 2, guys. If you give 2, what will happen? Only first 2 rows. Understood? What is the use of this? Instead of that, if you give 10, it will give first 10 records in this order. First 10 records. Last 5 records, it will skip. Understood, guys? See, you can select the table. And you can order it in a proper format, and you can take the record also. You can fetch the record also. This is called fetch class, guys. As of now, what are all the classes we have completed? We have seen where class, and we have seen what order by, and also now we are introducing about the fetch class. Okay, where class is to filter the data, order by used to do what? To sort out the data, fetch class is to take certain records as per requirement. Okay. So in this, you have to understand two more points in fetch class. See, just I have shown display first to 5 records in EMP table means select ename, employee number, all these things, fetch 5 rows only. That is a. Now, one more thing is there, guys. 5th record to 10th record. This is one of the interesting. Okay. This is one more interesting thing. Let's see, guys. What is the meaning? First, try to understand the meaning of this query. Display the 5th record to 10th record. Display the 5th record to 10th record means what? For example, if let me write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. For example, this is a row. So display 5th record to 10th record means what is that meaning? Starting from 5th record to 10th record means I want to skip first 5 records. I don't want to display from 5th record to how many records? 5th to 10th
Right.
means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Display 5th record to 10th record. 10th, okay. So how I can do means, see guys, select start from which table? From EMP table. Just order anything. Order by which column we'll order? Better to go with salary column only. Salary in ascending or descending. Anything, guys. Anything. Any one of the proper. Okay. Now, offset. Offset means it will where we have to start. Offset. Offset meaning I think today in Snowflake class also explained. It will change the position, guys. One of the offset. How many records? For 1, 2, 3, 4. First to 4 record it has to offset. Next fetch. Next, what is a command? 1 minute. Offset 4 rows. Fetch next to 5 rows only. Okay. Next what? Fetch next 5 rows only. Understood or not, guys? Can you please tell me? Select star from EMP, order by salary in descending order. What I am doing, first to 4 rows I am not fetching. I am fetching from where? First to 4 rows I have done offset. I am fetching only fetch next to 5 rows only. From this position onward, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will fetch. If you want, you can check. See, I don't have a records starting from the 5,000, guys. You can check. I have only next to 5 records from 2850, 2450, 1600, 1500, and 1300. Means one particular position onwards we can fetch.
Sharukh, I
Hmm.
have small doubt.
Yeah, please.
Can we fetch columns as well? If you have 10 columns, if you want only first 5 columns, we can fetch like that.
No, that is okay. You explain replica, it will cover 6 records. Didn't okay. 1 minute, I'll come to this point, Manoj. So you're saying first 5 columns. No, we don't have. There is a one concept is there. Star we can use, and or else we don't have anything like to take only first 5 columns or 6 columns. We don't have. We have a star, or instead of star, we can give the names.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, please.
Can we fetch only the between rows, means from 3 to 7 like that?
Yes, we can do now. For example, you are saying you want rows. Just tell me here you have ordering, right? That is what I explained you. 1, 2, 3. Now you just tell me what is the rows you want to fetch. I'll fetch and explain you.
From row 3 to 8.
Okay. From row 3 to 8. This is what you want to fetch, right?
Yes.
I'll tell you the logic now. Simple, guys. How many you want to offset? 2. 2. Okay. Let's just select star from EMP, order by which column? Salary column, either in ascending order, descending order, whatever you want, you can go ahead. Okay. Or else I can do so. Okay, just salary. Anything wise. For example, DESC. Okay, just you see this output first. Just you see this output first. How many columns you have? 14 columns. In this 14 column, starting from second column to, you're saying what? Starting from second column to up to 8th column you want, right? This is what question. Am I right, Ami?
Yes.
Okay. That's what right here. I shown you the above syntax. Okay. So first of all, offset. Offset. How many I want to skip? 2 I want to offset. After 2, from this onwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 records I need to fetch now. If I want to get from 3 to 8,
Yes.
okay. From 3 to 8, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So offset to 2, offset 2 rows means it will skip first 2 rows. It will do what? Next, I'm giving what? Fetch next 6. Okay. 6 rows only. Okay. This is what the syntax guys. Now, if you do this now, exactly it will fetch from second record to starting from second onwards. See, you don't have 5,000 here. Total how many? 6 records starting from 3 to 8. Since guys, you don't have any indexing here like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have 1, 2, 3, 4 now, you understand better. Amit, understood or not?
Yes, understood.
Everyone, guys? Okay.
Yes.
So we have completed this part also, guys. Okay. Fetch. So next, very, very important topic. So TML commands. So TML commands means like insert, update, delete, merge, insert all. Okay. Very important. See, you have to practice every day, guys, to stay in up to date. Okay. If you won't understand, right, in upcoming sessions, you will feel some difficulty to understand. So what is time right now? It's 11:53. Should I continue or stop, guys? Do you want to practice?
Yeah, we should stop here.
From everyone, guys? You guys wants to practice?
Yes.
Okay, guys. See, let me stop this recording before I say. So